In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set meta titles and descriptions in Wix. This is a crucial step for improving your website's search engine visibility and ensuring that people find your content. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. It's the central hub for customizing your site, so make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're there, you'll be able to access all the tools you need to optimize your site. Next, locate the three dots in the editor. These dots operate like a drop-down menu, providing you with additional options. Clicking on them will open up a menu where we can access the essential settings for our site. It might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for finding the right customization options. Now that you've clicked on the three dots, you should find yourself in the settings section of your Wix editor. This area hosts various features, all designed to help you tailor your site to your specific needs. Pay attention here, because the options in this menu are key to adjusting your SEO preferences. The next step we need to take is to click on SEO Basics within the settings. The SEO Basics section is fundamental for enhancing your site's search engine optimization. It's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the basic SEO steps that make a significant impact on how your site performs in search rankings. Once you've navigated into the SEO basics, it's time to start typing in the sections highlighted for meta titles and descriptions. These parts will generally be blank placeholders ready for your input. When you're crafting your meta title, keep it concise yet descriptive. Meta descriptions should give potential visitors a clear and compelling summary of what your page is about. Remember, these are often what users see in search engine results, so making them engaging and pertinent to your content is essential. After you've entered your meta titles and descriptions, success is on the horizon. You've successfully set up your meta titles and descriptions in Wix. This step is a significant accomplishment in improving your website's search visibility and attracting the right audience. It's always recommended to review your work, ensuring there are no typos or errors, and that your title and description accurately represent the page content. And that's it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your site is optimized for search engines, making it easier for users to find your website. Keep these practices in mind as you continue working on and growing your online presence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy optimizing.